Hi there, Frank here for premium members for the trading day of December 8, 2023, a Friday. Potentially a crucial day. There's news release at 8:30, which is expected to be a catalyst. This is primed to go to the upside on the indexes, for example, the ES. Remember, we touched the lower edge of the range yesterday, and now we're back up. This is ominous for a breakout to the upside, and the daily is beautifully lined up. Let's look at the other ones. The NQ also looks great to the upside, so you should be long or think long or consider a long from this situation here on the daily chart. Let's also look at the RTY and the YM. The RTY is working its way to the upside. It's a little bit lagging, but we're not expecting necessarily to hit the all-time highs. We're just targeting 2000-ish area first, and we'll see how it goes. But this is a beautiful bull flag too. And let's finish it off with the YM, which was ran ahead a little bit, as you remember, so it's a little bit more extended. But I think in this strong market with this very strong magnet above us here, 38-ish on the YM, I think we can consider this long as a tradable structure here. Also, you see, if you just think about it, it's the first pullback after the breakout. So although it's extended and outside the Keltner, there's arguments both ways, and I think it's worth a shot. But of course, I wouldn't take all four because it's the same trade one way or the other. So think correlation as well. Now, moving on to currencies, we have something to work with here. I think these longs on some of the currencies are worth a shot. This DX seems to be building a bear flag. And these major pairs, 6A, for example, 6B looks beautiful. There's beautiful bull flags on the daily time frame. So if you have the resources, consider these. Of course, we need triggers first. The 6C is also looking good. And here we go, bull flag on the daily time frame. And 6N looked also beautiful. So there's lots of choices. Again, they're correlated markets, probably related to the dollar, so don't take them all. And as correlation, if you're new to this, it means that if one fails, then correlated market seems to be doing the same thing. So don't pile up risk in the same direction, in other words. Okay, so good setups on currencies. Pick the one you like. We should also mention the giant move, not a tradable structure, so there was no trade here, but we need to notice or note, look at this 5.08 sigma move on the Japanese yen today. But it's not a tradable structure, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. It's just an indication of where other markets may be going to. And also, we're about 44,000 on Bitcoin last time I checked. Look at this, 43 something. So this is looking good for the 50-ish area that we were targeting, this major pivot here. So make sure you tighten stop and take profits at this level. But most likely we might be just marching up to 70,000, the previous high. So there's some good positions on already and more good positions likely to be coming, perhaps even in the morning. So make sure you take advantage of these opportunities. And we're heading to the last couple of weeks of the year. We might have one more flash sale. A new email is coming to many of you tomorrow. So have a look and see what is needed on your trade desk and make sure you have the right equipment to do the job. Thank you very much and mindful trading.